job here, this latch is stuck. Oh, come out now. Yeah. I've got to have a look, see what's causing that. Let me just see if the customer's got the key. Do for the moment.
Okay.
Yeah, lovely, thank you.
Thank you.
Alright.
Call me when you
Yeah, I'll give you a shout when it's done.
fix it.
I should be able to.
Do you want to give me the other keys that I use?
No, no, it's okay. Just need to get the lock out the door.
That's the porch one. On this bunch.
Okay, no problem.
With the mauve on porch.
Yeah. Alright, just got to try and get this out the door.
The inside door.
What's going on there? Should lift up now, hopefully. Still jammed up. Here we go. Is it that keeps turning? Just remove that. Let's swap over to a posi. Screw. Something catching there. There's not actually this that's catching, but I'll remove that anyway. What is that? Can't see nothing. Hang on. Here we go. Look at that. go back to my van and give that a full. Where's my keys? Yes, my van is a tip. Right, here we go. Hopefully. Hopefully this will make it not catch. Definitely feels a bit smoother. So I'm going to leave that out. I'll leave this out because it's not even used. Cool, look how close that screw is. That is close. I'll check these screws as well whether there's not a shorter one, because that looks a bit, it's a little bit close to me. And then go on there. This white grease has gone a bit hard. Come on. Oh, straight away. Nope. Right. Let's get. Ah, the spring's come off. No, it hasn't. It's still doing it. Not there at all. So it's to do this. Yeah, look at that. So it's like it's an easy bit of graphite. There we go. Yeah, keeping that back flush, but the handle doesn't quite bring it back flush. A little bit extra, just a tiny bit. I'll probably put it down to wear. Looks a little bit worn. Don't want to try and save her money, so I'm going to see if it'll work like this in the door. Because if it does work into like this, then it'll save a few pennies. Okay. So on repairs. I tend to give a 3-month warranty. Reversed. So alright. Oh, come on, get in there. I'm just going to put these on loose. Just hold everything in place. Oh, don't forget the handle set. Can't remember which way I took it out. Okay. A bit strange. It actually seems too long. See that? Looks like somebody's actually fitted it into that position there, which won't give you a full lift. Lock is down. I've got no bolt on the top right. Okay. That's better. Right, that's at the top. It's coming down. better. Here we go. I'm just going to zap a few screws in just to see. Oh, that does seem better days. It's a little bit nose heavy. As you can see, it's hitting there and not the bottom. That's probably not helping. Anybody else get this? Milwaukee. Every so often it just stops working. And what you do, you take the battery out, put it back in, it starts working. That's really, really rubbing. Looks like it has been lifted before. Right. A bit too much. Right, we're going to lift it as well. I don't think this one's been wound up at all. Now it's engaging. That's it. Right. That's better. Much smoother. Smooth action. The rubber's still very rubbery. Just going to give it a little bit of support. The key. Locks beautifully. Let's pull back together and clean up the door. So. back to you. Right. Battery went out again. Let's have a look. Front window cleaner. That didn't work. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, I'll come back and pop cleaner. That's it. Yeah, of course I have. I'll get you some in a second. You just clean this off.
I thought I had a card back.
No
And
problem.
my neighbours, they're away for a couple of months, the ones that you...
Oh, the ones I helped out. The other, yeah.
They're going to Germany.
I've gone back to Germany there for a little bit.
Yeah, well, they could be away 2 months. So.
Oh, wow.
My neighbours the other side, which were Indians,
Yeah.
they went off at the weekend to India, but they've only gone for 2 weeks. They've got no neighbours either side. When you live on your own, you think, oh,
Yeah. It's nice to have the neighbours around.
yeah. When this went, I thought, my daughter's got keys to let herself in. But I said to her, well,
Good try.